Before we go any further, let's get into some sneaker history real quick. The Jordan 1 Royal is an essential part of Michael Jordan's history and legacy. The Jordan 1 was his inaugural sneaker release. Well, signature sneaker model release anyway. The Royal is also his initial colorway, the first colorway of the Jordan 1 we've ever seen on Michael Jordan that he wore with a coordinating sleeveless flight suit that was used in a infamous photo campaign shot by somebody named Chuck. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, so I'm not going to say it, but you'll see it on the screen right now. So moving a little bit forward, re-releases of the Jordan 1 Royal have been infrequent over the years. After its initial debut in 1985, it resurfaced in 2001, then again in 2013 for NBA All-Star Weekend, followed by another release in 2017. This year, the Royal is finally making a comeback, but we have a notable twist. The upper was crafted from suede instead of the customary leather that we all know and love. This modification adds a very tasteful variation to the original style, offering a more lifestyle-oriented construction for the infamous Jordan 1. It actually indirectly pays homage to the ever-growing popularity of the Air Jordan 1 in skate culture. And like I said earlier, it's very surprising that this sneaker is still available weeks, days after the release. Could the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined be one of the most underrated sneakers of 2023? I think it could be. I really do think so.